Well, he's getting another battery. We're going to be drilling through for the plumbing. We're going to be hooking the water and stuff up. So we'll have to go through here. So he's drilling through. We're going to come back in through here where he's going to have a water heater. And the rest of it goes through the slab over to the kitchen area and the toilet, so we won't have to worry about that. Crocs and socks. He's going to finish drilling this out.
Right through my foot.
Up to this one.
Not a lot of wiggle room in there. It also doesn't help that there's nails sticking through the walls from the siding everywhere.
I need to clip these off.
In case you're wondering, they're everywhere. Where are they at? Right here. Good way to get your hand stuck.
Boom. T here for the pot. T here.
back. Do the bottom one. That's good. We don't want to yank it too much here. That's in there.
Okay,
So that'll sit right there.
right up against that post.
Come
okay.
out to your dishwasher there.
Right.
Then we're gonna cut it, put a T here, come out to your kitchen sink right there.
We'll put it on the left side.
Probably over here somewhere.
Well, not quite that far, right about there. Yeah, you can just cut it there.
Keeps crimping.
Okay.
Like I said earlier, be careful of all the nails. Got poked there and poked there already. Didn't feel good, by the way. That's snug on there.
You're gonna have to either cut or shove it.
I'm still gonna have it like this. Yeah, I'm gonna cut it. That's about right there.
Or just shove it a little bit. There you go.
Yep, that's in.
Okay.
Like I said, we'll come back out with red and then continue from here over with the blue.
Right.
Make sure those things are snapped in good. All right, so that come out to the sink, dishwasher.
So we're gonna be putting in the toilet connection. And we left it long enough so that when we put the sheetrock in, we can still disconnect those fittings while this is temporarily hooked up for Jared.
Now if you hold it there. Pretty low.
I don't know. Down a little bit.
Right there.
Yeah.
All right, so we are done for today. Went ahead and dropped Dad back off at his place. We basically got all the plumbing hooked up now, ready to go. Got this section hooked up for the refrigerator. It's gonna run down to where the dishwasher goes. You have your sink. Went ahead and hooked up the toilet, which I did not have running water to the toilet before, so this makes me very happy. Sorry for the lighting. I felt like I about to fight Darth Vader or Luke Skywalker like this. Anyways, back to the video. I have running water. Check this out. That makes me happy. So anyways, got that hooked up. We have it capped off down here for the shower, and then that runs underneath the cement. Back over this way to where we hooked up the washer. Got the connections over here. We need to reinforce this a little bit better. Probably add a 2x4 or something in there. And then I got to run back into town and get more supplies for the electric because we're going to try to finish that up as well. And then be able to ready to spray foam the inside, and then I still got to finish off the outside. It's been on and off rain quite a bit here recently, so everything's pretty soaked. Speaking of the outside, we'll end the video here in a second. I let Tucker and Daisy out in the main pond area. It's about, I don't know, mid-50s right now, and they're out there in the water. So anyways, I'll flip you guys around. Let's check them out. What's up, buddy? Having fun? Huh? You having fun? Where's your sister at? There she is. Daisy May! Come on! Daisy! She's trying to chase one of the birds out here. Come on, Daisy! There goes Daisy again. Come on, Daisy. Good girl. What's wrong, buddy? Huh? Where's your sister at? Huh? Anyways, that's enough of the animals. The goats are starting to get all fluffy again, ready for winter time. It is officially getting cooler down here in South Texas. I don't know how far it's going to dip down today, but I think it's right around 50 degrees, so not too bad. So anyways, guess we're going to go ahead and end this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and we will catch y'all on the next one. Peace.